नमस्कार, पळोवया प्रायम खबरो। पार्टीक ब्लॅकमेल करून भायर सरिल्ल्यांक परत घेवचो ना, चर्चिला विशीं मनात दुस्मान काय ना, गोंयाक स्पेशल स्टेटस अजून मेळूंक शकता, मोपा नाकाच, लुईझीन फालेरोची खासा हेडोनात विधानां। एसएजी जीसीएक नोटीस धाडपाक शकना, पेंडसे आयोगाचो अहवाल मानून घेतला म्हूण सरकाराचो आदेश ना, एसएजीच्या अधिकारांक बाळूचें आव्हान, मागलें एसएजीचें संविधान। पाकिस्तानान किजिलां करची न्ही, भारताचें प्रत्युत्तर म्हारग पडटलें, रक्षा मंत्री जेटलीची पाकिस्तानाक शिटकावणी, विशयाचें राजकारण नाका, प्रधानमंत्री मोदीची राजकीय विरोधकांक जाप। ऑनलायन सायटीवेल्या सवाय भितर शॉपिंग सर्तीचेर सरकाराचो दोळो, कुरियरांक कराचे जाळ्यांत हाडपाची केंद्र आनी गोंय पावड्यारय सरकाराची कायदेशीर तयारी। आनी माविनान घालो बॉम्ब, लुईझिनाक हाडून काँग्रेस सुदारची ना, लुईझिनाक सगळ्यांक घेवन काम करपाक जमना, तो सरकार स्वता 6 म्हयने चलोवंक शकलो ना। खबरो विस्तारान। पार्टीक ब्लॅकमेल करून भायर सरिल्ल्यांक परत घेवचो ना, मात सगळे समविचारी फुडाऱ्यांक परत एकठांय हाडटलो अशें सरळ विधान प्रुडंटाक दिल्ल्या खासा मुलाखतींत काँग्रेसीचो नवो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुईझीन फालेरान केला। चर्चिला विशीं आपल्या मनात दुस्मान काय ना, फुडली विधानसभा वेंचणूक लडोवपा विशीं आपणें अजून थारायल्लें ना, मात गोंयाक स्पेशल स्टेटस अजून मेळूंक शकता आनी फक्त दाबोळी विमानतळच गोंयाक फायद्याचो, मोपा नाकाच अशी स्पश्ट भुमिका ताणें खासा हेडोनात घेतली।
If somebody is playing this truant of blackmailing, I think such people should not have place in the party.
एलिगेशन इज खंय तरी तुमचे आनी मनोहर पर्रीकराचे सेटिंग जाला आनी त्या सेटिंगाचो गेम म्हणून दिस होल थिंग हॅज हॅपन्ड.
No. Allegation is my appointment is done by so and so. So I think he must have talked to Mrs. Gandhi, and because finally appointment is by Mrs. Gandhi. So I don't know what is the substance and what is this of allegation.
Very frank question in the end. Are you still bitter about churches?
Absolutely not.
You're not bitter about churches?
Honestly, every day when I contemplate in the evening, I thank all those who worked against me. If they had not to work against me, can you imagine what was my plight? And I feel very, very bad. And I feel all the senior leaders from the liberation onwards have really let down our people. Because the states which are there, all the 7 states who are enjoying special category status, today they are enjoying in terms of financially, in terms of their identity, in terms of their culture, in terms of their language, in terms of their tribal customs, usages, and here we are just swept away.
But
Goans
is it
today,
possible?
you will agree with me, I don't want to use that word, is a dying race. What is our identity today? Where are we today?
But Luisa, is it possible to get it now? Are you hopeful?
Two
Are
things.
you optimistic?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Legally it's possible. Today I am very clear, is what I have seen all over the country, it is not economically and financially feasible and viable to have 2 airports at the cost of the.
जीसीएक नोटीस धाडपाचो अधिकार एसएजीक ना, गोंय सरकारान पेंडसे आयोगाचो अहवाल मानून घेतला म्हूण आदेश काडिल्लो ना, हो जीसीएचो आर्ग्युमेंट. जीसीएचो अध्यक्ष बाळू फडके आनी कायदो सल्लागार किर्तनेन एसएजीचो कार्यकारी संचालक संदीप जॅक्सा मुखार हो आर्ग्युमेंट घाला. एसएजीक जीसीएची मान्यताय काडपाचो अधिकार आसा काय कितें तें पळोवंक जीसीएन एसएजीचें संविधान आनी संबंदीत डॉक्युमेंटूय मागल्यात.
पर्रीकार सरकाराच्या मंत्रिमंडळान पेंडसे आयोगाचो अहवाल मानून घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो ना. मंत्रिमंडळान फक्त सल्लो दिला. जीसीएची मान्यताय काढून घेवपाचो अधिकार एसएजीक ना ह्या भुमिकेचेर जीसीए ठाम रावल्या. जीसीएचो अध्यक्ष बाळू फडके आनी कायदो सल्लागार जी.डी. किर्तनेन एसएजीच्या कार्यकारी संचालका मुखार बिरेस्तारात जीसीएची बाजू मांडली. एसएजीक जीसीएची मान्यताय काडपाचो अधिकार आसा काय ना तें पळोवंक जीसीएन एसएजीचे संविधान आनी बाकीचे डॉक्युमेंट मागल्यात.
We have challenged the show cause notice basically because the recommendation has not been notified. Means acceptance of the cabinet decision has not been notified. That is what we have challenged.
2001 वर्सांतल्या क्रिकेट तिकेट स्कॅमात पेंडसे आयोगान जीसीएचो सध्याचो अध्यक्ष बाळू फडकेचेर ठपको दवरला. ताका लागून एसएजीन जीसीएची मान्यताय काडून घेवपाची नोटीस धाडिल्ली. नोटीसीक जीसीएन जाप दिल्ली. त्या उपरांत समोरासमोर येवन स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें म्हूण एसएजीच्या कार्यकारी संचालकान बाळूक सांगिल्लें. जीसीएच्या आर्ग्युमेंटाचेर अभ्यास करतले आनी फावो ती पावलां उबारतले म्हणून एसएजीचो कार्यकारी संचालक संदीप जॅक्सन सांगला. फुडली सुनावणी 24 ऑक्टोबराक जातली.
They have also sought a couple of documents from SAG, which I have agreed to give them by tomorrow, because there are a couple of issues on either side which we need to clarify, after which we will take an appropriate decision.
जीसीएचे अर्थीक आनी प्रशासकीय वेव्हाराचे चौकशेक जिल्लो रेजिस्ट्रारान 2 वांगड्यांची समिती नेमल्या आनी 14 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन समितीक चौकशी रिपोर्ट दिवंक सांगला. बाळू म्हणटा जीसीएत कसलोच अर्थीक वा प्रशासकीय गैरव्यवहार जाल्लो ना.
I don't think there are any irregularities in GCA. I don't know how they approved that committee, because one of the committee member himself is a part of one club and who has attended our general body.
प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.
पाकिस्तानान भारता कडेन किजेलां करची न्ही. भारताची जाप पाकिस्तानाक परवडपाची ना म्हणून रक्षा मंत्री अरुण जेटलीन पाकिस्तानाक शिटकावणी दिल्या. फाटल्या कांय दिसां सावन पाकिस्तानान शिमेपेल्यान सुरू केल्ले फारपेटींत 8 भारतीयांक मरण आयलां आनी 70 वयर जखमी जाल्यात. असले गंभीर विशयाचें राजकारण करचें न्ही म्हूण प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन राजकीय विरोधकांक जाप दिल्या. पाकिस्तानाचेरय दबाव वाडिल्ल्यान शरीफ सरकाराचे सुरक्षा मंडळाची शुक्रारा बसका जाता.
Our armed forces, particularly the army and the BSF in this case, have only one option. That is to respond adequately and defend our territory and our people. Our forces have been doing a commendable job. If Pakistan persists with this adventurism, our forces will make the cost of this adventurism unaffordable. Pakistan in these attacks has clearly been the aggressor, but Pakistan has to stop this unprovoked firing and shelling if it wants peace. How can you talk when firing is on? I think we first also need a line of communication that leaders across Indian political parties fully understand what our forces are doing there. I have seen some very ill-informed responses.
जवानों ने सही जवाब दे दिया है भाइयों बहनों, और इसलिए ऐसे विषयों को राजनीति के तराजू पर मत लाया गया.
The situation on the border is that last night also the fighting continued. They initiated the fire at around 8:45 in the night, and immediately after that we retaliated, and we retaliated very heavily. And again in the morning at around 5:30 or so, the firing started from their side, and the last firing was there around 9:30.
What is the casualty?
And there is no casualty as of now in last night's firing. As long as they keep on firing, we have to keep on retaliate and keep on respond, because we are mandated to guard our border.
घेऊ एक विराम.